Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then jump right into action. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path. Run Flutter Doctor to fix any issues. Choose an IDE, Android Studio, or VS Code, and install the Flutter and Dart plugins so your editor understands the toolchain. Once done, use Flutter Create My App to scaffold a project and launch an emulator or connect a device. Make sure the app runs before changing code to avoid debugging chaos later. You now focus on structure and execution. Pick a state solution, Provider, Riverpod, or Bloc, so your UI remains reactive and testable. This choice determines how you pass data and manage life cycles. Organize your project into lib/src with clear models, services, widgets, and screens to reduce entanglement. Use hot reload to iterate quickly and write widget tests for critical UI. Once you separate small, reusable widgets and services, scaling to larger features, you finish by optimizing, packaging, and verifying your build for release. Compress and cache assets, enable tree shaking in release mode, and produce split APKs or an app bundle to reduce download size. Automate CI with Fastlane or GitHub Actions to run tests, lint, and sign builds automatically. If something fails, run Flutter Run V and Flutter Analyze to inspect verbose logs and static issues. Use Flutter DevTools for CPU and memory traces. One key tip: reproduce the bug and debug with consistent steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.